So a very warm welcome to all the students. Okay, my dear students, we already have started with the economics chapter 2, human resource of India. Yesterday, what we have done the introduction part. What is human resource? Why they are regarded as human resource? All these things. And next, what we have done? We have done people as resource. Why these people are regarded as resource? This one we have completed. I think the notes also you have got. So with that notes, it will be very easy for you people to get it. No, very simple issue. We are the people who is doing a job or work, okay, to get the production or service of a country. Okay, so this people as resource and introduction part of human resource of India we have completed. Today what we will do? We will start with the characteristics of Indian population. So what is this characteristics of Indian population? Means the features of Indian population on which basis we can tell the features or characteristics of human resource. It includes the features related to, what are the features? It related to size, okay, population, size, composition, which type of, how many male, female, like that, density, growth and quality of population. How is the quality? See, if I am having a product, suppose I am having a mobile with me. So suppose I am having two mobile. Okay, one is a very simple mobile or two company mobile, one is 5,000, one is 10,000. Okay, so what happened? There is a difference in the quality. That's why this is high range and this is low range. So it includes the feature related to size, composition, density, growth and quality of population, etc. Okay, in India population census, yesterday only I told that head count of each citizen, how many people are there in the country, is conducted every 10 years. Every 10 years, it's not that every year our government is going to calculate it. Every 10 years, so last count happens in 2011. So next again this coming 2021, again the census means counting of citizens will happen. The features of population as derived from censuses are as follows. The census they give some report. On that report only we will be getting the features or characteristics of Indian population. India's population. Whatever Indian population. So the first point is large size and fast growth. What is this large size and fast growth? We will discuss, then we will get it. No. India with a population with 121.1 crore in 2011, it is almost nowadays it is 1.35 crore. Okay, but we can tell the official counting because official counting happened only in 2011 last. Then next year we will get the exact figure, but approximately the official bodies they know approximately what is the present one. That's why they told that it is around 135 crores of Indians are there. India with a population with 121.1 crores in 2011 is the second populous country or second populous country in the world next to China. China in 2001, China was more than this, more than India. But nowadays, that time when counting happened, this counting is happening for all the countries. Okay, but once we have done the count and when we compare it with China, then we got it know that China is having more this thing, your population than us. So population wise China is first, India is second. Okay, every 6% in the world is an Indian. So much of peoples are there in India. So if you take the total count of the world, every 6% one Indian is there. Okay, this is as per the countability. Don't think that their country we will go and we will, if we are having 12 persons, there 2 Indians will be there. These are the counting strategies. Rate of population growth of India is 1.8% per annum. Per annum means per year. Rate of growth is 1.8%. It is regarded every year we are adding Australia to our census. Okay, the total number of people in the Australia is a country, you know, it's not only country, it's a continent also. But every year India is adding Australia, because the thing is that suppose we are having simple example I am giving. Suppose Australia is having 1 lakh of population with them, and India is adding every year 1 lakh people to their population. That's why it is told like that. India is adding 1 Australia every year. This situation is called population explosion. This is, see, if it is rising more and more, okay, then it is not good for the country. Okay, that's why that situation is known as explosive population. Approximately what it is I am telling you by the officials, that approximately by 2022 means after 21st, okay, 22 will come, India may become the most populous country in the world, beating China. Now we are behind China. Maybe we will be having more population than them in the recent future. Next is second stage of demographic transition. So second stage of demographic transition. What is transition? The process or a period of changing from one state or condition to another. Okay, changing from one to other. Suppose we are having water. What will happen? If we put it in a refrigerator, it will get ice. So this is known as the transition. Transition is the main thing. A simple word can make you understand, that is change. Okay. India is now passing through the second stage of demographic transition, where death rate is lower than birth rate. Means suppose in India per day, suppose 10 people are having death, okay, but 17 people are again getting born every day. So this ratio is more. That's why we are having more population. The birth rate in 2010 was 22.1 and death rate was 7.2 per 1,000 people, implying a net addition of about 15 people per 1,000. Okay, if you minus this one, okay, you will get a percentage of 15. So what is this? The birth rate is 22.1 and the death rate is 7.2. Okay, so if you minus from 22 7, it will be 15. So 15 people per 1,000, it is extra for us. Now the third one is rapidly rising density. What is this rapidly rising density? Density of population is the number of people living per square kilometer of a geographical area. Square kilometer, how many people are there in this place? This is known as the density of population. Okay, in 2011 census, it is a 382 persons per square kilometer. 382 persons per square kilometer. India occupies 2.4% of the total land of the world, but support only 16.7% of total world population. So per square means we are having more people, but our India is this much. Okay, day by day increasing. So we are getting densely populated. So in the next video, till 9th point we have to go. We have already completed the 3rd point. Okay, so other things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.